Hi, fourth graders, and welcome to Flex Wednesday. This week we've worked on rounding strategies and estimation strategies. Today we're going to continue this review. To start, I want you to take a second and look at these three problems. I want you to solve on your whiteboard. What is the value of the 5 in 23,503? What is the value of the 2 in 204,095? And what is the value of the 7 in 17,392? Pause the video, and when you're ready, press play. All right, fourth graders, let's go over the work we just did on our whiteboards. So I noticed the 5 is in the hundreds place, so I know its value is 500. Looking at my number here, the digit 2, looks like it's in the hundred thousands place. So my 2 is valued at 200,000. The 7 here in 17,392 is in the thousands place, so it's valued at 7,000. Great work. So let's review some of our rounding estimation strategies we've learned this week. When rounding to estimate, one strategy we learned was rounding all of the numbers to a certain place value, as shown here. We also learned a strategy called front-end estimation, which keeps the number in the front and estimates the rest. This is really great when you're using really quick estimation to find a fast answer, but it's not always the most accurate way to estimate our numbers. Close to estimation gets you a closer number when estimating. For example, 445 can be estimated to 450, 239 can be estimated to 200, and 892 can be estimated to 900 to get a closer estimation answer. Let's review how to estimate a few problems on your whiteboards. I want you to pause the video. And when you do, I want you to use estimation strategies to solve these three problems. 324 plus 918, 314 minus 28, and 927 plus 63. When you've estimated, press play. Welcome back. So let's review the estimation strategies and answers we could have used to get these answers. For 324 plus 918, I chose to go to numbers that are close to those two numbers in order to estimate. So 324, I actually estimated to 320. And for 918, I estimated to 920. When I put those together, I got 1,240. Looking at our next problem, I could have done the same thing. 314 minus 28. I chose to round close to those numbers, so 320 minus 30. And when I did that, I got 270. Our final problem here was 930, I estimated, plus 60. When I put that together, I got 990. Now, if you estimated using a different strategy and your answers are slightly different than mine, that's totally okay, because we all have different strategies that work for us. But make sure that your answers are in the same ballpark of these three answers. If your answer is super off from these, we should look at them again. Let's look at a word story problem. On Monday, 56 students came to the Elliott School block party. 39 students came on Tuesday, and 192 students came on Wednesday. About how many students came to the Elliott School block party altogether? Pick an estimation strategy. Then solve the problem on your whiteboard. When you're ready, press play. Okay, welcome back. Let's review how we estimated and solved this problem. I know that on Monday I had 56 students, and then 39 on Tuesday, and then 192 students on Wednesday. And the question's asking me how many came all together, so I know I'm going to add those together to find my answer. But I'm going to estimate in order to solve. 56 is close to 60. 39 is close to 40. And 192 is close to 200. When I add these together, my answer is 400 students. So about 400 students went to the block party. Oops, I mean 300 students. I added an extra 100 in there. 60 plus 40 plus 200 equals 300 students. Now to check my answer, I want to actually find the real answer here to see if I'm close to in my estimation. 56 plus 39 plus 192 equals 287 students. 287 and 300 are close to each other, so that was a correct estimation strategy. Let's try another one. Tori needed 500 signatures to be able to run for class president. On Friday, she collected 168 signatures from friends, 27 signatures from family, and 123 signatures from knocking on people's doors. About how many more signatures would Tori need to run for class president? Okay, so mathematicians, it's asking you to find out how many more signatures she needs to get her 500 signatures. So you're going to have to estimate here. Pause the video, and when you're ready, press play. All right, fourth graders, let's go over this problem together. So I know she needs 500 signatures in all, and I have to find out how many she has left. So my first step would be to figure out, well, how many signatures did she get so far? To do that, I know she got 168 on Friday, she got 27 from her family, and she got 123 from knocking on people's doors. That's going to get me how many signatures she received. I'm going to estimate these numbers to find an answer close to. 168 is close to 170, 27 is close to 30, and 123 is close to 120. When I added those three numbers up, I got 320 signatures. 320 signatures is the amount that Tori received. Now I need to find out how many she has left in order to get to 500. So to do that, I'm going to do 500 minus 320, and that will get me my estimated answer of about 180 signatures left to get signed. Let's check my work now to make sure I'm finding the real answer. So 168 plus 27 plus 123 would get me the real answer of 318. My estimated answer is 320, so I'm definitely pretty close. To find my real amount of signatures, I'd do 500 minus 318, which would get me a total of 182 signatures. 182 is very close to 180, so my estimation is correct. Today, fourth graders, you have math boxes that have not been finished yet from pages 8 to 15, as well as the Google form listed here below. Make sure you're working hard to complete all of your work. I can't wait to see it.